Never throw away such mesh bags from vegetables and fruits. They are invaluable and have a brilliant use at home. In most supermarkets, we can buy vegetables packaged in plastic mesh bags. The material they are made of has a hidden purpose. Peel the mesh away from the plastic label, then cut off the metal or plastic closures. Take moisturizing soap, the one you use every day. Put it into the mesh bag and tie it at the end. Then, use it in the shower. It turns out that the surface of the mesh has exfoliating properties. It works great for massage during a bath. The mesh also makes the soap lather faster and prevents it from slipping out of your hands. It doesn't slide on the sink thanks to it. However, this is not the only use for vegetable mesh bags. If you collect them, you can use them in the kitchen. Roll several pieces tightly together. Tie them with the strings to create a small sponge. The rough structure is an excellent substitute for a metal scouring pad. It will be ideal for delicate or Teflon surfaces. I always keep it by the sink. Who would have thought that most people throw away these mesh bags in the trash? Fruits and vegetables are strategically placed at the entrance of stores, and it's no coincidence. This is one of many marketing traps set by retailers. You've likely noticed that fresh produce is almost always positioned near the entrance. This tactic is deliberate. Studies have repeatedly shown that people eat with their eyes, and unusual colors or shapes increase the chances of a product ending up in your basket. The same principle applies to fruits and vegetables. Display stands lure you with vibrant colors, shiny skins, and enticing aromas. When you're greeted by a section full of fresh produce as soon as you enter, you're likely to grab a bag and buy more than you can realistically consume. Filling your cart with delicious-looking fruits and vegetables can even make you feel hungry. Shopping on an empty stomach leads to impulsive decisions, making the store seem like a treasure trove of irresistible foods. In reality, this often results in unnecessary spending. Forget the drawer chaos and bags spilling out everywhere. Lay the bag flat and smooth out the sides. Tuck one handle inside. Fold one side of the bag toward the center, then the other. Fold the handle part in, then slide the bottom part into the top. It holds together perfectly, no unraveling. Quick, neat, and frustration-free. From now on, your bags will always be organized. Cut off the top part of the mesh bag. Then prepare a tall, narrow jar and unscrew the lid. Place the mesh over the jar so that it fits snugly. Secure it with a rubber band or string. Make sure it's stable and won't slip. The next step is to trim the edges of the mesh with scissors to remove any excess material. Now it's time to prepare the flowers. Trim the stems at an angle so the flowers look nice and can absorb water better. Insert the tulips one by one through the holes in the mesh. The mesh will keep the stems in place, allowing the tulips to stand upright and the arrangement to look tidy and natural. This is the perfect way to beautifully arrange flowers. This handmade tool to collect fruits will be your favorite this summer. Some fruits are delicious but harder to reach. There is a smart way to do it via reusing an old bottle. Therefore, it is also eco-friendly. Take the largest bottle you have. We are going to cut the bottom in 4. With a sharp knife, make a cross at the bottom. The hardest part is in the center of the bottle, so take your time to go through it. Once the 4 parts are cut, they will be able to open up when pulled. Now we have to make a few tiny holes at the midsection of every cutted bit. I am using a melting tool to be faster. You can use another sharp object to poke a hole. After all the holes are done at the bottom, we are going to repeat it at the top of the bottle. Align the way the holes should be done. They have to be facing each other. Now you need to take some barbecue skewers and cut 4 pieces of about 4 centimeters. The skewers need to attach some stronger string that can fit through the holes. Attach one end of the string to the skewer and pass it through the bottle to align with the other hole. Get the side with the skewer inside the bottle and the string from the outside. Then pass it through the other opening and out from the neck of the bottle. When all 4 parts of the bottle are done in the same manner, tie them together at the start of the bottle. Take the cap from your bottle. Make a hole in the top and thread strings through it. To extend the handle, it's best to use an old broom or mop stick and a bottle cap. Cut off the part of the stick that you screw into the mop. Use a sharp utility knife. We need our stick to have holes on each side. Now thread all the strings through it. It will be a strong extension of the bottle. This way, you will be able to pick fruit from the highest branch. Your fruit picker is now ready to use. Try it in your garden. Picking fruit will now be much easier. Line your oven with plastic bags. They'll remove all burnt-on grime and grease, often better than expensive chemical cleaners. This simple trick really works and requires no scrubbing or special tools. Start by spraying the entire interior of your oven, bottom, sides, top, and door, with a good oven cleaner. Don't be stingy, as the cleaner is what will break down the grease and baked-on residue. Then take a few plastic bags and press them against every surface. The plastic helps trap moisture and prevents the cleaner from drying out too quickly, giving it more time to work. Dirt and grease literally peel away from the surface. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight for tougher messes. When you remove the plastic, just wipe everything down with a damp cloth. No scraping, no scrubbing, no effort. The grime comes off easily, and your oven will look like new. Finish by drying it off, and that's it. Quick, easy, and super effective. Once you try it, you'll never go back to the old way. Don't be fooled at the supermarket. The color of the net holding your citrus fruits matters more than you think. The color of nets for fruits like oranges and lemons is intentionally chosen and relates to how the human eye perceives colors. Fruit producers use the so-called confetti effect, an optical phenomenon where our perception of color is heavily influenced by the surrounding context. Our brain interprets an object's color in relation to its environment, which can create optical illusions. Through the confetti effect, the skin of the fruit appears more vibrant and juicy, even though its actual color remains unchanged. For example, an orange net enhances the rich color of orange skins, making them look riper and more appealing, which encourages purchase. Similarly, a yellow net highlights the bright, sunny hue of lemons, making them seem fresher and more appetizing. Yellow also evokes acidity, aligning perfectly with the character of lemons. By using the right net colors, fruits are visually enhanced, giving the impression of superior quality. It's a simple yet effective marketing trick that influences how we perceive colors.